and you know in your heart you don't need this guy, let him go. Let him go now, because tomorrow when he will ask you for marriage and you say you don't want, you are in trouble. Any cause that this guy lay on you is going to affect you. Do you understand? Because you don't know the pain. You don't know the tears that this guy will go through, the heartbreak. You would think it's a normal thing. You will go about going from one relationship to the other, saying you are not ready, and you allow the guy to spend on you. You better be very careful, because tomorrow you will suffer for it. You will suffer for it. So many women in marriage today, this is what they face. So many men in marriages today, this is what they face. For some women that don't even give birth to children, you don't know the cause. Because you don't know the kind of, if some people, they will say swear that this guy swears for you, and you go to carry swear the waka, you go to carry and the waka. So you have to be very careful when a guy is spending on you. Be whether you're in school, you're in the university, you're in the secondary school, and the guy is spending on you. The guy is not your parent, not your father, not your brother, not even your uncle. Hello, if you know tomorrow you will not have anything to do with that guy, you better tell the guy to stop, or you let it go. Because if you allow this guy to do all these things, and tomorrow you say, I want to think about it, after how many years of spending, if they swear for you, go catch you, he go touch you, and the sweat will get smoke. Do you understand? So you better be careful. And for you that is a man that will go about friending girls, spending money on them, knowing fully well in your mind that you will never have anything to do with this girl, what do you know? You need that side of, you understand what I mean? You need that side, but you don't need a wife material, but you need a harlot. You need a slut that you can sleep with, show the world. At the end of the day, you tell the girl that you don't want. You better be careful. Because tomorrow, if they place any curse on you, it's going to affect your family and your children as well. If you are dating a girl and you know that you don't have anything to do with this girl, let this girl go. Let her go and find her man. Not you. After wasting her, misusing her, you will tell her that you don't want. Some guys will still be in a relationship and they are getting married in the next week. Who does that? And you think the girl will be happy with you. You think that she will just tell you thank you very much. She will give you thank you and give you very much, right? You have to be careful. Curses are real. Curses are real. You better know it. Curses are real. You a man going about doing all this manner of nonsense. Know tomorrow that you will have a daughter, you will have a sister. Just to think about some men that are married and they go about having side chick. Some, permit me to say that sometimes this side chick doesn't know that he has a wife or a children. He has children or a wife somewhere. Because maybe the wife will be at Lagos and the man will be at Abuja, stuff like that. And in her own mind, he will think that I found my man. And at the end of the day, when he find out that the man is married, oh, I'm heartbroken. You start placing curses on who does not deserve it. You go die. You go die. Death will go kill you. 309 go kill you. Your family go suffer. You go suffer. Everything where you lay your hands on, go they move. You are this. Thunder go kill you. Hello. When thunder is killing that person, who will suffer for it? The children are there. The wife is there. They don't even know anything. And later they will now make the wife a widow. Oh, please. If you're a girl and you're in a relationship, please try. Be careful. Do your findings. Don't just put your heart in a relationship because the guy, one, is handsome. 2, he's a nice guy. Thirdly, he's rich, he's well, he has what it takes, he has the 4-6 packs or stuff like that. Without knowing that he has a wife and children. When you later find out that he's married, some don't even care. You don't marry, you don't marry, you don't consign me. So far, we are in this together. But if you're that type of, that has conscience, and you say, no, I don't want to go into this I don't want to enter into this relationship. I don't want to continue with this relationship. Please, when you want to curse, send your curses to appropriate quarters. Not a curse woman with the house. That woman don't know anything. No, they cause children with their house. Because if anything should happen to the man, definitely the children will suffer for it. They will suffer. So you as a girl that is in a relationship, make your findings. Before you pour your heart and you are already deeply in love and blind at the same time. Make your findings. If possibly, pray about it. Tell God to tell you who this person is to you. If you are pray about it. It's necessary. So many mistakes that some people do in marriages today. We just do it. After all, we met a guy like that. At the end of the day, you find out that maybe you already have a wife, or you already have a children. Some say you later find out that they are dead. Some you find out that I don't know. Please let us be careful. And you, a man, going out there parading yourself as a single man ready to mingle, you better know that when the time comes, any swear that you get from anywhere is going to affect you alone. God will bear the woman at home and the children. It will bear them witness. It will affect you alone, not the woman at home. And any man going out there, meeting girls without protection, at the end of the day, he comes back to the woman at home and give that woman disease. Be careful. I don't want to be angry. Be careful. Remember that tomorrow you will be called a grandfather. You will be called a granddad. Your daughter will call you dad, and you have a sister. Come to think of it, if your sister, someone treats your sister like this, what will be your reaction? You don't think about it. You live this life. After all, waiting day. Only one life will get. If I die, I die. Waiting day. It's not like that. There are some things you commit in this life. Even if you go anywhere you want to go, heaven or hell, you will suffer for it. So you have to be very careful. He that lives in a glass house, don't throw stones. Don't throw stones. And he that doesn't want cutlass to go to his back, he that kills with a cutlass, definitely you know that anytime a cutlass goes to your back, you become afraid. You don't even allow it. So you don't do it. And another thing I want to talk about. Some people think that this wedding ring is a symbol that I am married. It's a very big lie. Some people that want to cheat, they will cheat with this ring in their hand. Some, whenever they are going to meet their girlfriend, they pull it off. They remove it. After committing whatever they are committing, they put it on. Is it something that you can remove and you can put it back? Some men even have theirs on and still cheat, and the girls don't mind. And later, when the guy tell you, I want to go back to my family, you will say, go, bros, now thunder go kill you, Ogun go kill you, plane go jam you, motor go kill you. Hello, learn. If you're a girl out there, learn. Make your findings before you throw your heart to a guy. And if you're a man there, going from one headquarter to the other, doing it, having girls, one side chick and one side chick, side animals, and all the rest of it, you better be careful. If not, every curse is laid upon you. It will be on you alone, not in your family, because the woman don't know what is going on. And you as a married woman in your husband's house cheating, be careful. All this cheating of a thing we are talking about, what do we even gain? What do you gain? Later you gain bitterness. You get to rejection, because if you're in your husband's house and you're cheating, definitely when the man find out, listen, there's something happening in this world. It's not today that it started. When a man cheats and comes home, a woman can forgive. But when it's a woman that cheats, that is when you will know that you will have to almost give up give your life when you are asking for forgiveness. And maybe the person you cheat will have a girlfriend or is preparing a wedding or something, and they can't take you. I love you. Some people is here, it ends here. Be careful. Be very careful. That is all I can tell you guys today. Have a nice day. This is Cynthia. Remember to subscribe to my channel.